Unlocking the Meaning of Equitable, a Guide to Fair English. Hello, wonderful language learners. Today, we're diving into a word that's as important in language as it is in life: equitable. Understanding this term is not just about expanding your vocabulary, but it's also about grasping a concept that's key to fairness and justice in society. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover how equitable can enhance both your English skills and your insight into cultural values. What does equitable really mean? At its core, equitable describes something that is fair and impartial. It's often used in contexts where equal treatment and justice are discussed. But don't confuse equitable with equal. While equal means the same for everyone, equitable takes into account the differences among people and situations to ensure fair outcomes. Now, let's see equitable in action. This word can be a bit formal, so you'll often find it in professional or academic contexts. For example, the company strives for equitable treatment of all its employees. They reached an equitable settlement after the dispute. Notice how equitable doesn't just imply fairness, but a fairness that is thoughtful and considers everyone's needs. While equitable might sound formal, it can also appear in more casual conversations, especially when discussing issues of social justice or equality. For instance, it's important to have an equitable access to education for all children. The city is working on creating more equitable housing policies. To fully understand equitable, it helps to know a few related terms. Equity is the noun form and represents the concept of fairness and justice in treatment, access, and opportunity. Equitably is the adverb, explaining how something is done with equity. And inequitable, the antonym, means something is not fair or just. Thank you for exploring the meaning of equitable with me today. Remember, embracing words like equitable enriches your language and can reflect the values you stand for. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and strive to create an equitable learning environment in all your educational endeavors.